There's one left remaining, and we're going to look for some evidence to short the market once again. Has not happened yet, but we expect it to. Just sit tight. We'll call it when we see it. So we did much better than the 72.75 projected resistance line. Went right through that and is continuing its move up very strong. We're not ready to short yet. Short right now. Now you can't you can't see the reason for the short on this chart, or at least why we expected a short at this level. And I'll get into that in just a minute. I want to move my stop as soon as we drop a little bit more. Okay, nicely done. We're up 4 ticks. Could come back at us, but here's the reason for the short. On one of our other charts, we had a group reversal right at the top here. See how it momentarily went from white to cyan and back to white? That's a group reversal. Tells us that that's the top of the move. We didn't see that on any other chart, but it was very obvious on this particular chart that we just showed you. You didn't see it on the chart that we were focused on because we were already in a solid gold coloring. So that's why we have multiple charts. We need to have multiple charts in order to get a complete picture of what's happening. But it's not hard to keep track of what's going on. Not hard to keep track at all. Look at that. Okay, that's 8 ticks already. Yeah, 8 ticks off of that short. And just to point something else out, let's go back to our divergence chart. We reset our divergence chart, and we had gaps. There they are again, gaps preceding divergence, and we're coming right back down to fill those gaps. So some players can look at that and say, that's as far as they want to go. We'll just exit the trade when the gaps are filled. Very conservative way to play the game. But you have divergence all the way up, and the divergence that you see, these are not necessarily places where you will take a trade, but where you do take the trade, where you do see the evidence that the market is ready to drop. Oh my, look at that. 16 ticks on that short. Okay, I like it. When you do take the trade, you should have some measure of divergence. Okay. Alrighty. So it's just going on 1 o'clock Central Time, and I think we've demonstrated through the course of the day the accuracy of the system, how we read it. You've seen us trade it live and trade it successfully. We, as far as I can tell, have not had a losing trade all day. So we do anticipate, however, that the low of the day is in fact yet to come. But that having been said, surely we could be wrong. So with the number of successful trades that we've had today, I think we're going to go ahead and stop at this particular point. I think we've made our point very clear. And so we invite you to comment on our videos. Make sure you comment and subscribe. Subscribe to our videos. We will put out videos from time to time. And most of all, we want you to contact us with questions. Go to the website. There's a lot to learn off of our website. And request a demo. We'll be doing some webinars in the future. You may want to get on our list to join the webinars. So, with that thought in mind, this is Rod Kusanen, aka Spooman for Risk.